Hello, it's Dr. Alan Yim. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how the augmented sixth works in an augmented sixth chord. Before I do that, I want to remind you that when we want to have a strong sense of harmony, the most obvious or the strongest chord, of course, is 5, 7 to 1. And the reason for this has something to do with the leading tone and the moving of half steps. So moving in a half step always has this strong feel of pulling towards something, or maybe pushing, I don't know. The other strong half step in a major scale, of course, is fa to mi. So in the key of C major, fa to mi, and of course T to do. And if you put them together, we have the leading tone and the seventh of the chord, which almost always resolve in that manner. The leading tone up and the seventh down. Another way of resolving using half steps is simply to use two half steps to go to a single pitch. And in this case, I'll stay in the same key, but we're going to resolve it to the fifth degree of the scale. So we're going to resolve to so. The lower note is going to be approached from above. And to do this, we're going to use a flat sixth. So in this case, it's going to be A flat, which is lay in solfege. And to get to the fifth degree of the scale from below, we will use sharp 4. Okay, so here you can see now, this is the interval of an augmented sixth. A flat to F sharp. It sounds like this. Same thing as the enharmonic to a minor seventh. But in the key of C major, it's obviously not diatonic. So we need to add these accidentals. And then they resolve out like this. So how does this function? Well, the augmented sixth is a sonority that moves to the 5 chord through the use of half steps, moving up a half step and moving down a half step to get to that root of that 5 chord. And that's basically it. So what I would encourage you to do, the next step, is to try writing this augmented sixth interval in other keys. Now, I will point out that here I had to add 2 accidentals, one for the sharp 4 and one for the flat 6. But if you're in minor, of course you won't have to do this. You'll only have to add 1 accidental because 6 is already flat. So for example, if I'm in the key of C minor, now the augmented sixth is going to look something like this. Sharp 4 and flat 6, already flat, and then I just add in the 5th degree of the scale. And here's what it sounds like. So it's going to sound the same in both keys, but the resolution will be different. And then, or in minor, okay, something like that. That's it for this video. In the next one, I will be showing you how to write Italian, German, and French sixth chords. Thanks for watching.